This is wild cow hunting. Crocodile pick up, rescue. You mouth tie? But them said nah going at the van back. At least me need a me yard, I need dog. I want crap me need a me yard. So let's vlog. This is the adventure that we're heading out on now. We're heading into the bushes to do a little hike with Uncle Ramon. And maybe we have a little swim.
Going scouting.
We're going scouting. Scouting from now.
Hello, Jojo.
Yeah, man.
Walk with Ramon in the bush. You better have your big boy pants with you.
Yeah, better have a
mission.
Yeah, so it's not mission impossible, it's mission to get to the possible.
When I come hunting, I don't come to joke around.
Yeah, man. One thing is not a fun thing, it's a gun thing.
The fun comes after.
When we cook and eat.
We're cooking?
Today we're just looking.
We're looking, we're scouting. Early scout.
Quite early scouting. I know the areas. Them coming in.
I want to know all the hills and valleys.
Yeah.
Can't make them fool you.
The only person who can do that is the person sitting beside on the right hand side of you. And I don't think you
Security
can
checkpoint. First stop.
Yeah,
I
man.
picked like 4 pound crab.
Rasta lad.
Rasta Lodge. Yeah, man.
Most of the people could barely hold it.
Yes, Africa?
No, sir.
Yeah. No, right now, yes, Africa?
No, sir. What do you mean, Mr. What do you mean you can't tell it on the camera? Man want to tell the story and can't tell it on the camera. Alright, soon forward. Them out of what?
Rum.
Them can't out of rum. A bar.
Them have
Can't stop a bar in them out. Whoa. Alright, that's good. That was a quick stop, but they didn't have what we were looking for. That's what Uncle Ramon was looking for. Now what we are looking for. So
Now we look for what Jeffrey wants.
yeah, Jeffrey want rum.
We're going to turn around into the rum shop.
Jeffrey want
I
rum.
didn't know this cocoa yet. I wasn't planning
On
on giving
the argument
them
just come up.
to try it.
Jonah, show them the cocoa. Where's the cocoa?
It's a small
So
one.
this
Pick
is
yours.
cocoa, what chocolate come from. It's hollow and then there are seeds in there. That's the seeds are what give you
And the
chocolate.
flesh tastes good.
The flesh is like fruit. Very sweet, very nice. And Uncle Ramon saying, wow, very fruity flavor, almost look like a papaya. A lot of people don't know that this is what make chocolate. I think Hershey's even have some farms down here that them use to make chocolate with and them thing.
I remember here selling.
Jeffrey look like you're right. We should have taken something there.
Tell you someone to take a cube buckle from the restaurant and sell rum. No, man. What you deal with?
Alright, if you want to know, I'm going to chill on it. I'm in a JB. I get have a work room.
Alright.
Only JB, somebody. Only JB, you don't know, regular white. I don't even know. When I say, yo, a real JB I go on, so you know, say, I can't hold a box food. But this is my food. And this is how me and one little box food, because trust me. Gotta take the wheel. Hold on there, Jonah, where you get that?
Yeah, man, Jonah. Get naughty body.
I never want to say it to him. But you have to go Cornwall, so you must learn about gimmicks.
Jonah. Man, I eat naughty body.
Barbarian.
Let me know what you want to do.
Want to call them?
cows lying down on the ground. And the cows in the cow. So crawling thing. But if you don't kill you, it can kill you. Look, they keep that one on the ground. Yeah, good shot. Watch him.
Yes, I saw me.
Now I will stop him, you know.
Hear my ball.
So don't take a walk and fall a little bit. So we don't have no more shots. Eh?
You're a shot lick him, Ramon?
I have no idea. You lie down and shoot at him. In neck. Unless he get you and don't even know. Then you get up. But Matthew had the big ball in. So lick him and he go down from the ground. You know, see them a keep the field. Yeah. Easy flowing this one. Me know. You might go there, you know. You can get a shot. Yeah. Eh?
Are you after a shot, what you?
Me not tell you.
Alright, or something.
Yeah, that.
In drop,
No, he might go dead, you know. That's why I don't want to run them. No run them.
Let them dead, like him
Because
go.
you don't want him to go way further.
Yeah.
I'm going to get weak and lie down.
So him stop somewhere close to you, so?
Yo, him said them stop the next logwood. You understand this, so?
Yeah.
That logwood is, don't go there. Don't go there.
Leave it, don't
That logwood is there, and then the canal. A river
You don't want
canal.
them cross the canal.
We don't want them cross.
Yeah, but them did that come from over there, so.
Are them do this?
Yeah, man.
But you then stampede through the place.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but then down the way there, them mash grass down there.
No, I see Barry a shot past me. I say, alright, well, I guess I better to get the fuck.
Spoil the thing, man.
I guess I get to get the fuck out of here.
When you never see the black one.
We see all of
But
them.
ball out and run and
Yeah.
they call them divert. Oh, now come after one, they want to get away. Them know this up. See it?
Yeah. I just wonder if the black one lay down over there, so.
See, you could have squeegee around in the grass and try to get closer and lick a shot and something else, but you don't know. You know where they are. One pan this, you know.
I don't think it worth it to take a shot from.
Here? No. Let me fast a little further.
So we got one earlier, shot one him drop. I'm looking for him and walk into the herd again. This is wild cow hunting. We have to run out of the bush while ago, cause that stampede will hurt you. Raman just lick one though. Then look for him now. And then we have to find the other one. Get a Jamaican burger, bun and cheese, original Jamaican burger, spicy bun. The pilot round a catch few man. Think I dim sum alone and eat. So Jamaican burger run good, Jamaican cheeseburger. That's some of girly stoop work you want. Long time I don't see girly, you know.
Taste the soup, taste it.
You want to tell me?
Don't eat my food.
Give one from back there.
No man, one man. You can't drink, you can't drink.
It tastes good.
I'll take your word for
It
it.
must taste good. No girly.
Girly cook it man, it going to taste
Alright,
good.
okay, man.
It go taste good.
Hey, girly.
Go on, I know.
The food you give me the idea is sweet, Missy. The stew peas.
Stew peas with
I
the
first
chicken
never
foot.
eat stew peas with
Chicken foot and
chicken
pig's
foot
tail.
and pigtail.
Yeah man.
Hey,
I think I still have it on this. Me.
You can't see him? Oh. Alright, yeah.
Stand for it.
got nice size in the
Yeah, man, it's stand fire, man.
It's tiny. They tied it up.
Oh, nice. Nice size, man. Look at young thing. Yeah, man. We're doing is we came to pick up a crocodile with Uncle Raman for Swamp Safari. He has a license. The croc has been wreaking havoc in the community. There's livestock, there's children around here. So thankfully, instead of killing the croc because they're endangered species, they call Uncle Raman to come and pick it up, and he'll be transporting it back to Swamp Safari. It's a croc. I'm going Swamp Safari instead of terrorizing the place. I'm going to carry him up and release him to go in captivity with the others. But people will kill him around here. Catch her! My friend. I like that.
No, man. Side, because one more do.
Sharing is caring.
I'm frightened too. I bet you jump. Just touch him for it. Foot clap. Maka. That man. Here's that hiss. Crikey.
Come on.
In mouth tie?
Burn and Miley mash up in a while.
How are you, man? You're gonna get tired quick.
Yeah?
You can get tired.
When are you? The more
You
time
are
good.
pull him.
The more time good. Wait,
No time, man. But you do have none on your head. You have one whole heap of rope on him, but
Make me boy then come
suppose you have one from his mouth.
Yeah.
Or we pull.
Yeah.
You see, you
But
have
they
one
put
whole
one
heap of
for-
rope all over him, tie up, but one be the rope, but you want on his mouth to pull him and control him.
Yeah. Wait man, then boy we put it. Come here, come here, come here.
I'm going to pull him out and the time with a different rope.
Yeah man, good night, manners.
Tiger cat, don't leave me there, tiger cat. Hold on, Mr. Wha Gwann. Don't make him hack up himself. Don't make him hack up himself.
What do you mean? They will get tired. And then they have to be easy.
Oh, you want to tire him out?
It don't matter. You got to get him up here. I'll get a rope around his head. And you need a rope to hold him in.
Watch it, come in, Amaka.
Yeah, I have to go back. The rope on his head.
Yeah, Maka.
All over his body.
I'm tired of himself, come on, because I want to mother to
Chintia.
It's all right, man. I just go on.
Yeah man, see it.
Stop, you. Time most stop. Run up on them, man. That's how I see them tomorrow. You see about bump up like that, get longer with that and body up. One tapping is going to get them, man. Already must be about it. You see the tapping head, man. Move cock. One tapping is, man. I'm telling you, man.
Let's tie up the rope and him tie up.
Yeah, and tie up.
I'm roll.
Rolling.
You are that roll.
We have one rope in here, so I'm going to put one more. Go where we kill him, we just pull him and lift him up.
I believe. I think I should just hold him back.
Back when you relax.
Hey boy. Yeah.
How want my phone?
Touch him already.
have it.
Yo, your phone not good enough.
Huh?
This man phone not good.
What's
Not
that for?
ready now. You have a new phone.
No, man.
Call you.
Don't tell me that, man.
Eh?
Don't tell me that.
Yeah, to make a sling, a nose for time out, don't cry, man.
I want, must call them at black.
Don't cry, man.
Tell the
Yeah, make a nose for
commissioner
time out.
Yeah. You just know the rope.
Don't want damage him or anything.
Loose. Relax the man.
There's some man.
Yeah man. Fuck you.
Everybody at work. Up top.
This now go hold him good like that. I go want a smaller rope to tie him.
We can never pass one on the tail this so we could kind of lift him up like with it. Eh?
Eh?
Put one over my head and kind of against the
You
tail.
know
so
what I'm doing, man.
we could lift up him. Mine ain't lick you with the head in my bedroom.
No.
You see, when I go in and back and but when tie up him foot already. But I want a smaller rope on him mouth. And them rope can we pull off when him.
I said that. The only thing we do at time that thing can't in us in there now. Yeah. And I time the time that thing can't blow. Understand? The time can't blow.
What's in there, my foot? And I jump like you, man.
See you raspy head and get a bumbo and slap them this up on the post if possible.
Good man. Him can't do nothing now, man. He can't do nothing now.
All the way more tie up, you know.
You can't do nothing.
But me just slap me not
No,
tie
but
it
him can buck you.
Okay.
Slap you with the tail.
tight. And the head too. The head. Lick you with the head, look all the foot.
I'm surprised the post not broke.
Man hungry.
You know, man. Yeah, man.
Man hungry.
Yeah, I want to get this behind that rope.
Slap it, yeah, just slap it.
Let's hold it.
Good, one. Rapid.
See that? I never tied it so it can slip off. Relax, man. Hold the front like that.
Hold the front like that, man. Man, trying to fat.
Put the rope over that side there. Pull him head round the cooler. Pull the rope, get it. Pull the head round the cooler that side. Go on.
Black.
Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it up, pull it up. Yeah, bro. Safari for you. What you hand up on me? Big man, look on me, son. The evil eye.
Oh, you know what's up?
Oh, I want
Them
to
the eye
go
there.
in the back of the car.
Go on now.
Them the eyes there. Like a fire.
What you do? Give me that man. With my shit, look.
I'm going to. I'm going.
Take your blood clot, sir. How the fuck you get fucked now? Well, lock the back, you know. But you still lock the back.
Beautiful creature, though.
I'm kind of want control him head up here, sir. When car, but no.
Police stopping on it, that's it. What's a Gwann bossy? Straight to some safari. Straight to the safari. Here I clap that.
It's alright.
Hear them then? You hear that?
That's not nothing. That's not nothing.
They, you see, first they will come here. They say this, he open the motor and go so. Almighty.
And start.
Stress, you know, because I wait for days to have him out here.
You understand?
Stress him out too much.
I got shot the back. Then slap up in the tail and the water.
Alright.
I got put the top over him and with them water buckle and thing.
Got me jump this up. Let's go.
That's a great look.
There you have it. Crocodile pickup rescue with the Jamaican crocodile Dundee himself.
Believe it.
Yeah man, straight to, if you want the real show you can come, you can go to Swamp Safari.
I believe it.
Now go on there, Batman. Listen, you want to come in there?
That's a pull up.
You have to jump in there back with him, man. You have to jump in there back with him, man.
One man.
I mean, no.
You jump on the back, man.
You're not jumping there back with him. Go on, man. He's not doing
How are you, man?
Man said, me.
Go on the back, man.
I should have me. Wouldn't go either. Oh, great, I think right now. Man, I said, nah, going at the van back. At least me need a me yard, I need dog. I want crap, me need a me yard.